Hello, second graders. Okay, let's finish the book starting at lesson 8. It's on page 132. The title is Be Like Sherlock. Be Like Sherlock. So let's turn to our page in our book. This is what it looks like. So there's the title, Be Like Sherlock, lesson 8. And it's on page 132, but we're going to flip the page and look at Listen and Speak 1. And this is on page 134. 134. Okay, put my book there. Now, the key phrase today, I believe, is easy. So we're going to use the key phrase very shortly. I'll show you many examples. We're going to speak together, and then we're going to practice. After practice, we look at the book, and then I want to use lesson 8 with lesson 1, and with lesson 2, and with lesson 3. And together we're going to speak the old key phrases with the new key phrases. So let's take a look at our first key phrase on page 134. Okay, there is 2 ways to say the key phrase. The way we will say the key phrase mostly is this one. So I'll speak it first, and then you. Okay, here we go. Can you do me a favor? Can you do me a favor? Okay, we can also say it this way. All right, can I ask you a favor? Can I ask you a favor? Okay. And then, this is another way to say it. Can you help me blank? Can you help me blank? And then we can say, of course I can. Of course I can. Or, I'm afraid I can't. I'm afraid I can't. All right, so this is our verb. This can change. So, but for the most part, we're going to use the verb help. And then this is another verb, and then this will be our noun. Okay, so let's take a look. Can you do me a favor? So let's read these together. Me first and then you. Can you do me a favor? Of course I can. Okay, let's do it again. Can you do me a favor? Can you do me a favor? No, I can't. I am busy now. No, I can't. I am busy now. Okay. Now, remember, we said, I'm afraid I can't. This part or this part they can be different. Or you can just say, no, I can't. But then if someone asks you, why? Why can't you? Then you can say, I'm busy now, because I am busy. Okay, next part, be responses. Let's read together. Can you do me a favor? What is it? Okay, what is it? Can you help me carry these boxes? Can you help me carry these boxes? So 2 different verbs here. Oh, I'm sorry, not boxes, books. So can you help me carry these books? So you have a bunch of books in your hand. Can you help me carry these? Keep out an eye on the S, books. So we need to change the word this to these. These books. Always look for the S and watch out for plural. Okay. Of course I can. Of course I can. So let's do the dialogue together, and then we're going to do this together. All right? So here we go. Can you do me a favor? What is it? Can you help me carry these books? I'm sorry, but I can't. I'm sorry, but I can't. Okay? I'm afraid I can't. No, I can't. I'm busy now. I'm sorry, I can't. All right. you to fill the blanks. Our verb here is do, study, cook. What can you put here? Looking at the verb, what goes here? What can go here? Can you help me do? Can you help me do what? Do can be many different verbs, many verbs. So how about we do one that's easy? How about homework? So let's put homework here. Can you help me do homework? Can you help me do homework? Okay. What do you study? What do you study? You study English, you study math, you study science. So we can say English. How about that? Okay. Can you help me study English? Okay. What do you cook? What do you cook? What do you cook? What do you make? What do you prepare? You cook food. So, can you help me cook food? Can you help me cook food? So we're doing our verb here, and then a noun here. Okay, now, let's put the verb. So this time, look at the noun, pizza, soccer, door. Can you help me blank the pizza? Can you help me make the pizza? Can you help me prepare the pizza? Can you help me cook the pizza? Can you help me bake? We could say bake. Can you help me bake the pizza? Okay, how about soccer? Now, you want to ask somebody, can you help me play soccer? Maybe you would say, can you help me play soccer? And right here, can you help me play soccer better? Can you help me play soccer better? What would you say to your coach, your soccer coach, or the PE teacher? Can you help me learn soccer? What if you are a PE teacher? You are a PE teacher, and you talk to another PE teacher. Can you help me? What does a PE teacher do? They teach. Can you help me teach soccer? Okay, many different answers here. How about this? I have my hands full. My hands. I'm holding many books. Can you help me? And I'm at the door. I'm trying to push it open. What can you say? Your hands are not free. So, can you help me open the door? Can you help me close the door? Can you help me close the door? Okay. So now we'll look at our practice. So the practice dialogue is this. If we see a check mark, we say, of course I can. If we see no, then we'll say, I can't because I'm adjective. I'm busy. We'll say because I'm busy. Let's keep it easy. I can't because I'm busy. All right. So this is ABAB dialogue. We can use the book right here. Use this dialogue to help. So let's do a couple of these together. What is she doing? She is watering the plants. So let's say it together. Speak with me. Can you do me a favor? Sure, what is it? Can you help me water the plants? And then, of course I can. Or, what's the other one? I'm sorry, I can't. I'm afraid I can't. I'm sorry, I'm busy now. No, I can't, I'm busy now. Okay. So and there's our guy that says no. So there we go, check mark. This one's easier. Speak with me. Can you do me a favor? Sure, what is it? Can you help me? What is he doing? He is erasing, he is cleaning the chalkboard. Cleaning the chalkboard. Can you help me clean the chalkboard? Can you help me clean the chalkboard? No problem. Of course I can. All right, one more. Maybe you did this one already. What is he doing? He is carrying books. What is he doing? He is carrying the books. Okay, so let's do it together. Can you do me a favor? Sure, what is it? Can you help me carry these books? Can you help me carry these books? Okay. And then, I'm sorry, I'm busy now. I'm sorry, I'm busy now. All right, guys. There are other examples here. Taking out the trash, taking pictures, open the door, help me cook, teach me English, help me study English. Okay, many different examples. So let's take a look at our textbook on page 134, and then we're going to do a little bit of review. All right, guys, let's go check it out. Okay, looking at our textbook, page 134, at the top, listen and speak 1. At listen A, listen and choose, what does the girl ask the boy to do? Let's listen to the dialogue to find out if she asks the boy to set the table or wash dishes. Here we go.
Jinsu, can I ask you a favor?
Sure. What is it?
Can you help me wash the dishes?
No problem.
Okay, she said, can I ask you a favor? Remember, that is the other way to say the key phrase, can you do me a favor? Let's listen one more time to find our answer. Here we go.
Jinsu, can I ask you a favor?
Sure. What is it?
Can you help me wash the dishes?
No problem.
Okay, what did she tell Jinsu? What did she ask him? She said, can you help me wash the dishes? So the answer is the second picture. Okay, now part B, listen and check. Check T for true or F for false. There are two answers. Nade is going to visit her grandmother in Busan, and Tony will take care of Nade's dog. Also, there's another question. Who doesn't like dogs? Let's listen to the dialogue to find our answers. Here we go.
Tony, can you do me a favor?
Sure. What is it, Nade?
Can you take care of my dog this weekend? My family is going to visit my grandmother in Busan.
Oh, I'm sorry, but I can't. My mom doesn't like dogs.
Oh, what should I do?
Why don't you ask Sumin? Her family loves dogs.
Okay, I'll call her right now.
All right. So, Nade is going to visit her grandmother in Busan. True or false? First, what does she ask Tony? She asks him, can you do me a favor? She asks, can you take care of my dog? So what does he say? Let's listen to the dialogue one more time to find our answers. Here we go.
Tony, can you do me a favor?
Sure. What is it, Nade?
Can you take care of my dog this weekend? My family is going to visit my grandmother in Busan.
Oh, I'm sorry, but I can't. My mom doesn't like dogs.
Oh, what should I do?
Why don't you ask Sumin? Her family loves dogs.
Okay, I'll call her right now.
Okay, so Nade is going to visit her grandmother in Busan. True or false? True. That is why she asks Tony the favor, which is taking care of her dog. So, will Tony take care of Nade's dog? No, he won't. So Tony will not take care of Nade's dog. False. Tony will take care of Nade's dog. False. Okay, who doesn't like dogs? Sumin and her family, they love dogs. But who doesn't like dogs? Tony's mother doesn't like dogs. That's why he cannot take care of Nade's dog. Okay, now that this is over, now that this is finished, we're going to take a look at page 9. So look at page 10 and then flip the page to this. And follow along with me, please. What we'll do is we will read together. So I'll read first and then you. We'll go quickly through this. I want to do a review. New and old key phrases. It is easy to forget all the key phrases. So we have to practice the old key phrases with the new key phrases. So let me show you some examples and together we will read them. All right, so let's begin with lesson 1. All right, so I'll speak it first and then you. All right, can you do me a favor? Okay, of course I can. Can you tell me what can I do to improve my English? Can you tell me, comma, what can I do to improve my English? Okay, old key phrase is red. What can I do to blank? The blank, I'll put the answer for you, and that is what's black. All right. You can read English books. You can read English books. Okay, what can I do to and you can was from lesson 1. Now, lesson 2. Can you do me a favor? Of course I can. Can you tell me about the teacher? What is she like? Can you tell me about the teacher? What is she like? She is really smart, nice, and helpful. She is really smart, nice, and helpful. Okay, lesson 3. Can you do me a favor? Of course I can. Can you take me to the park? Why do you want to go to the park? Why do you want to go to the park? Because blank. Because reason. Because the weather will be nice. Because the weather will be nice. Okay, another. Lesson 4. Can you help me learn to drive a car? Can you help me learn to drive a car? Of course I can. Have you ever driven a car before? So we're following the word have. So we need to use the PP verb, past participle verb, driven. Have you driven a car before? And then, no, I have not. No, I have not. Okay, lesson 5. Can you tell me, comma, how can I get to the post office from here? How can I get to the post office from here? Sure. First, go straight for 1 block. Sure. First, go straight for 1 block. Next, turn right. Next, turn right. Then it will be on the left. Then it will be on the left. All right. Now, lesson 7. This is our last one. Can you do me a quick favor? Can you do something really quick? Can you do me a quick favor? Can you do me a quick favor? Of course I can. Sometimes if you tell the person quick, they'll say yes. If you just say, can you do me a favor, but they are busy, maybe they'll say no. So, can you do me a quick favor? Of course I can. All right? Can you recommend a book for me? Can you recommend a book for me? Same. Can you? Same set. Okay? What comes next? How about this? Sure. How about friendle? Okay, thanks. All right, guys. That's the rest of lesson 8, part 1. We'll look at the next part, and we'll also do real life talk next time. All right, guys. See you later. Good job.